Hey guys, and welcome to my bedroom slash nail salon slash hair salon. I do all my crap in here, and I'm going to show you today how I get better than salon quality nail extensions at home. So this process does take me about 3.5 hours. I've had lots of practice, but you're gonna get all of this process in about 16 minutes. So it's not too bad. And you can see that this is like, I have my own little station here. I've got lots of supplies that I've collected over time. Thought about doing like what's in my nail collection video. Comment down below if you would like to see that, and subscribe if you like nail content. I'm trying to like gauge what my audience like really likes. More fashion content or more nail content or more vlogging content. I'm just kind of like testing the waters, but you can see I have like tons of stuff. So I've been experimenting with nails for a long time, and this is just something that I learned to do for myself pre-COVID, okay? Nail technology has come a long way. There's like crap everywhere. Nail technology has come such a long way. And with the poly gels and the quick gels, it has just made life so much easier. So what you're gonna see me doing is using the clippers to remove the tips. These were some 10XL square tips that I got from what's it called? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm blanking. Nail Couture. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I was blanking. From Nail Couture. They're my favorite tips. I know that people have had a lot of problems with them in the past with shipping, but every single time I've ordered, I've gotten my nails within 2 or 3 days. So I have nothing to complain about personally, but there has been some kerfuffles in the past, so just be aware of that. I'm showing you my e-file. I purchased this a long time ago. I'm going to have this linked down in the description. It is a professional nail file and you can hurt yourself. I suggest that you start out using these type of like cardboard, emery board type of attachments because they're just a little bit easier on your nails. Every time I start one of these, like I do the very tip of it, the very edge onto a nail file and make sure it's not sharp because we don't want to cut our cuticles. I made that mistake. I have made that mistake. We get rid of our garbage, and I think for the majority of this video, we are only going to do one hand for like painting, removing, and stuff like that. Now this looks like I'm tearing the shit out of my nails. I assure you that I am not. There is a layer of the tip, the polygel full cover tip that I'm peeling away, and it's not actually peeling on my nail at all. We're actually going to file down the polygel that's underneath. That's underneath is polygel. I'm actually peeling back like the top clear layer so that I'm not having to file through like all of that, you know, and it really peels off kind of easy. They're super durable. They last me like 3 weeks, sometimes longer. They're just awesome. Like I'll probably never go to a salon again to get my nails done. I'm just going to be real with y'all. I do go and get pedicures, and the girls in there tell me that they would not do my nails for me that long. So I can't go anywhere in my small town. So we'll get rid of our trash, and that was just like the top layer of the full cover tips. And now we're going to go in with our e-file. I started out using a emery board e-file, but I decided that I needed actually a stronger one, so I went ahead and put like a bit on it that's like a little bit sharper, because the 10XL square tips that I had on had a very deep well, like reservoir underneath it, a very deep underneath apex, and I knew it was going to take me all day and all night to get the freaking polygel off my nails. So I had to switch bits in there. So if you see it change to a blue bit, that's what's going on. And also the black fingernail that is a square tip there. I was experimenting with the color black to see if I even liked it on my hand, and I did, but I didn't like the square tips as much. So I decided to go with my 5XL stilettos for this one, and I'm just really excited with the way they came out. I never thought I would love a gothic set of nails as much as I do. So just for the remainder of this time, I'm just going to let you guys watch me work, and I will catch up with you on the next segment of work.
She said, Quay, I can't wait till you spazzing it. I said, but now you talking that nasty shit. Like it clean with that nastiness. Baby girl, you a badass bitch. Piss them off and don't give a shit. Throw to that bag with some dope dick. Throw to that bag with some more shit. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay, shorty. 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 Throw to that bag. Throw to that bag. Throw to that bag. Throw to that bag. Okay, shorty. 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 Throw to that bag. Throw to that bag. Throw to that bag. Throw to that bag.
Okay, so this is some dehydrator and some primer. I got it in an Appraise full cover set that I got a long time ago. They work really well. I've just been using this, but you can order any dehydrator or any primer off of Amazon and they'll work just as well. If you get some with a kit, I suggest using whatever comes with the kit. And here is some base coat. So first we're going to dehydrate our nails, then we're going to prime our nails, and then we're going to get a base coat. So this is just dehydrator, painting that on there. And then we're going to, I was going to show you the tips that I got. All the tips come in a pack like this from Nail Couture, and it's got all of the sizes. You can see 5XL stiletto. It's the 1, 2, 3 go set, and you can see me picking out sizes. Here I'm actually sizing my nail to make sure that the wells and things like aren't super duper overlapped with what my nail would be. And I usually can pick out the exact same sizes every time. Once I find which sizes fit me best with what set that I order from Nail Couture, I just keep those sizes out and in a smaller Ziploc bag. So every single time I'm not having to go look for like which are which. You know what I'm saying? It just is a time saver. So I've got all of my tips picked out, and now I'm going to be filing down with my E-file all of the edges of the cuticle on this full cover tip, because the more seamless it is between the full cover tip and your cuticle bed, the longer it's going to last. The more you have like a raised area, like you could probably get away with just slapping these suckers on. Like if you were in a really big hurry, you could probably skip this step. But for longevity's sake, the more seamless like it is, the less you're going to get things like catching it, lifting it, raising it. And everybody has to be very, very careful when you're wearing this length of nail, because you can and probably will hurt yourself. So it's like heels, you know, you can and will hurt yourself. I think I'm doing dehydrator again, and also primer. I don't know if I show that or not. No, I didn't show the primer, but I did do that. And also I do only 2 fingers of base coat at a time, because I find that if I do my whole hand with base coat, then I get like dog hair, like a random dog hair, like lint or like nail dust on it before I do the application. So I don't, you know what I'm saying? So I only do like 2 at a time. So here is the quote unquote hardest part of doing this nail. The quick gel comes out of the container a lot like hot glue. So if you've ever dealt with hot glue, you know, you'll be fine. I outline the shape of like what my nail bed looks like. And then I just go back and forth and just kind of, you know, try to not fill the well, but like if you've ever worked with epoxy or anything like that, I'm just like giving myself a gummy base to put on top of my nail. Now the apex in these are pretty large, okay, because you want a lot of stability with a nail this size, so you got to make sure that you have enough filled in. So you got to make sure that you have enough filled in that you're actually going to touch your nail when you put it on there, but not so much that it's like squishing out like everywhere when you put it on. So you can see that I've got my light between my legs and on and ready. Okay, it's on and ready. And then I'm rocking this nail back and forth. Oh, and then I saw, oh, I don't have enough in the well, like it wasn't fully making contact with my nail. So put a little bit more quick gel in there. And then I flipped it over again to make sure it was gonna make contact. I have like gel on my nail right now, but no worries, no worries. Making sure to like rock it back and forth so there's no bubbles. And also you need to check at this point to make sure your nail is straight before you put it in the light, because once you get it in the light here, if it's crooked, it's going to be crooked unless you cut it off, okay? So just know that. And I've had a couple of crooked nails in my day, and this is from when I used to fill in like the rest of the nail underneath with the gel once I got done, but I quit doing that. Now I only use it right where my nail bed is, just to connect the nail to my nail. And that's it. Like I don't use any more than that. But it's just me repeating that process. Because these nails do take like 3.5 hours, you know, sometimes I'll do half of the process the day before, and then I'll finish up the process the next day. So you can see like this is me with totally different clothes on. And I am painting my nails the next day because I got tired. So I decided to finish the next day. It is Rachel's Ratchet Salon, so I can do what I want. But I'll finish up with showing you guys. This black nail polish is so badass. I love it so much. And when I'm applying the gel nail polish, when I'm getting close up to my cuticle, I just rock the polish applicator back and forth. I don't actually try to go right in at the cuticle. You'll learn a lot of that stuff if you're doing the nails at home and stuff. One coat of this black creates like a smoky, almost see-through application. So you do have to go in with a second coat of this black, and then I go in with a clear top coat on top. And guys, these are some badass, very ferocious nails. I get lots of compliments on them when I'm out, of course, because they're insane looking. They're very Halloween. They're very like, I don't know, they just fit my personality, so I love wearing them. So I'll let you guys watch me finish working.
Yeah. All this shit I kicked though, came a long way, used to kick those. All this shit I kicked though, came a long way, used to kick those. Simply say my shit, them bitches ask me what I've been on. I finally arrived, gotta thank God I could've been gone. Put this shit in motion with my own 2 feet of Flintstone. Put this shit in motion with my own 2, bitch, I'm bike. I thought times was dark till I seen in a different light. I knew I would ball when mama bought that Fisher Price. I can't do no bargain, bitch, that's my official price. I'm just living life, you can't live it twice. Bro, come get your wife, she hop on my stick just like Pogo. Pop out something slight polo, just me and my pipe dolo. Fighter jet, I fly solo. I'm feeling like Ocho, just got ate by a Latina. I can't save, ain't got no cake, can't split my paper with no streets. Put that 8 up, we ship leaders. We ain't followers, we leaders. How some followers gon' lead us? She been following my genius, she won't swallow up my penis. Boy, that racket over Netflix, she's Venus and Serena. We gon' see you when we see ya, out of sight and out of mind, no. Niggas couldn't see me anyway, must be blindfolded. What's up with that shade that you been throwing? You a blind, brody? Let's just say the writing on the wall was a sign for me. Let's just say that clock up on the wall said it's time for me. All this shit I kicked up, came a long way, used to kick those. Simply say my shit, them bitches ask me what I've been on. I finally arrived, gotta thank God I could've been gone. Put this shit in motion with my own 2 feet of Flintstone. Put this shit in motion with my own 2, bitch, I'm biting. I thought times was dark till I seen in a different light. I knew I would ball when mama bought that Fisher Price. I can't do no bargain, bitch, that's my official price.
Hey, man, the fuck you mean you ain't heard no fucking?
And them dollars made my spidey sense a ring, ring. And that booty on that thought made me spring. Then I took it
Okay,
to my
so
bed
yeah,
and
and now I'm just applying the final layer, which is the top coat, and I'm curing after every step here, curing after every layer, curing after the top coat, and this is a no wipe top coat, so we're like done. We're diddly done, okay? I didn't put any nail cuticle oil on or anything. This type of method of doing your nails doesn't create super dry cuticles. I love it. I love it. I love it. Please, if you are a nail lady, give this a try at home. You don't have to go this long. You can get whatever shape you want from eNail Couture or actually off of Amazon just in general. So give it a try. See how you like it. Like this video, subscribe. Peace out. Later, taters. Bye.